Hi folks, if you have that unsightly mould in your washing machine, this is the only product that fixes it. Trust me. I would apply this very liberally and use gloves for sure. Spread, rub right into all of the areas that you see the mould. Take your time and make sure you get into all the little crevices up the side. This was the seal after roughly about 24 hours. I actually put some extra coating on this morning, left it another maybe 5-6 hours, and as you can see it's bleaching right in really well, and I think when I clean this later it will be pretty much fully gone in the mould. Okay folks, it's the following day, and as you can see it's totally clear. There's still a couple of tiny little bits, but in general it's way better. So I might even just a couple of these little spots, just put more of this Sugelary back on and give it a go. But seriously, this works. But I would recommend rubbing it in a couple of millimeters thick, maybe leaving it for a day, maybe even 2 days. And then moving forward, just make sure you dry it every time I wash. But one thing I did notice was give it a real good rinse, even like a tub clean once you've done this, just to make sure none of this residue is left, because I think it'll bleach your clothes. So anyway, works well. I wish you the best of luck. Thank you, bye bye.